Hey, coming out. Hey guys, it's Tom from Liquidation Motivation, and I'm super excited to show you a Dollar General truckload. All right, we just got in our second Dollar General truckload here. Beautiful 7-foot tall packages, you know, wrapped, perfectly wrapped. They're big boxes, small boxes. They're just about everything. And don't let the boxes fool you, because, like, you know, a box like this is not what it says on the box. They use the extra boxes to pack stuff in. So you're gonna get anything that you get in Dollar General in one of these pallets. But I just love how much inventory, you know. I hate it whenever you order something and it comes in this tall or this tall. You know, these are all 7-foot pallets. You can see they're all stacked to the ceiling. Pallets, pallets, pallets. Oh, here, I got some brand new refrigerators in here too. A big shout out, come over here, Paul. A big shout out to Colton Carlson there. He told me to buy appliances and resell them. We're doing super well with them too. So if you guys thinking about doing appliances, I definitely recommend them. But today we're gonna take one of these Dollar General pallets and we're gonna break it down and we're gonna show you exactly what we're gonna get on the inside. So we're about to go through one of these Dollar General pallets. You can see here, we actually dropped it all over the floor. You probably saw it in the video. But we're gonna go through box. So we have a sorting method here. So we have, this is stuff that we wanna keep for our store. And then we have the bin stores going down here so we can slide the stuff one way or another. We have no idea what's in these boxes. Let's hope we get some home runs. I do think it's gonna be heavy in Valentine's Day. Very heavy in Valentine's Day. So we gotta be cautious of that. You know, but who knows? We'll see. We'll see if we can make some money off this. The good thing about this box is it's what it says on the outside. It never is on the inside. So you're just getting a whole bunch of bodies, a whole bunch of stuff. So we have our electronics heavy small load coming in tomorrow. So we're gonna mix this with that, and we're gonna try to put together a really good load. Here goes cleansing body wash. Ceramic plates. Good. Looks like a lot of Christmas stuff. Remember, we love Christmas stuff. We like dealing with Christmas stuff year round. Oh, look at that. Chocolates. Look at all those chocolates. It's a lonely girl's dream right here.
I like chocolate. I'm not lonely.
Yeah. Look at this. A bunch of clothing. If you like clothing, you don't mind clothing. Look at that. Ah, perfect. Lots of clothing. Florida Clothing's always sells here. These are nice. Very nice clothes. So we sell them all at 70% off, so they're $14 in the store. So we'll sell that here. That's what, $4.20? We should keep as much of that as we can. Flip-flops.
I'm telling you, no, those we don't need. Training. Isn't that cute?
I hope some people have a sweet tooth. Look at all that chocolate. More flip-flops.
Why did you do that? We were just dumping them in the
See, we love it in Florida because they process out their summer stuff in the wintertime, but it never gets cold in Florida. So we love the wintertime all the time. Hey, coffee creamer.
Oh.
They're those Valentine's Day cards, huh?
You know when you said, what can I get my wife for Valentine's?
Yeah. I should put away a whole box for next year, then I don't have to worry about it. All right, there we go. One pallet down, 23 more to go.